Right, from the menus, select Gravity Sketch. Click the trigger button when you're right next to the button, and then you'll get the menu up that you can put in your username at petroc.ac.uk and select the blue tick to confirm that address. Then you will need to enter your password that you set up for Gravity Sketch, and if you make a mistake you can click the white back arrow. Once you're into Gravity Sketch, as you can see highlighted red, that is the button that you want to press with your index finger, and that will bring up this menu here, and at the bottom of the menu where the Malta board is the tutorials, and then move one tab along to get to exercises, and then you can work your way through the exercises. When you want to exit the tutorials, you can use the red button, twist your wrist if you don't see it, and you can use the door icon to exit that part of the program. You can exit the overall program by selecting the triangle on the right controller